In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to multiply matrices using the Mmult function in Excel. If you need to perform matrix multiplication in Excel, the Mmult function is a quick and efficient way to do it. This is especially useful when you're working with arrays of numbers and want Excel to calculate the product automatically instead of doing the math by hand. To get started, click into the cell where you want the matrix multiplication result to appear. Then type the Mmult formula using the two matrix ranges you want to multiply. The basic structure is equals Mmult, followed by the range of the first matrix, then a comma, and then the range of the second matrix, and finally a closing parenthesis. As you enter the formula, make sure the ranges you select represent the two matrices correctly. One important thing to keep in mind is that matrix multiplication only works when the number of columns in the first matrix matches the number of rows in the second matrix. If those dimensions do not line up, Excel will return an error. So before pressing enter, it's a good idea to quickly double check that your selected ranges are compatible. Once the formula is entered, press enter to let Excel calculate the result. Excel will then return the matrix product based on the values in the two selected ranges. If you're using a version of Excel with dynamic arrays, the results may spill automatically into the surrounding cells if the output contains multiple values. If you're using an older version of Excel, you may need to first select the full output range before entering the formula so the entire result can display correctly. This helps ensure that you see the full multiplied matrix rather than just a single value. A helpful tip is to keep your source matrices organized and clearly separated on the worksheet. That makes it easier to select the correct ranges and avoid mistakes when building the formula. It's also a good idea to verify a small example manually if you're new to matrix multiplication, just so you can confirm the function is behaving the way you expect. And that's all it takes to multiply matrices in Excel using Mmult. It's a simple function, but it can save a lot of time when you're working with structured numeric data. If this tutorial helped you, please consider subscribing. We post new software tutorials every day to help you get the most out of your favorite tools. Thanks for watching.